I got the Michelada. This is really good. It's like a Bloody Mary. I think it's like my number 2 favorite Bloody Mary at Disney.
Some Modelo and Bloody Mary mix, basically. What's on the rim? Spice? And it's interesting. Like you said, it was more refreshing than a Bloody Mary. I'd have to agree. I still couldn't have more than one of these, but it's good. It'll wake me up. And then I got a sweet tea old fashioned because, you know, anything with bourbon in it. It's like heaven. I don't know, I never tried this before. So good.
It smells dangerous.
Could be. It's going to be sick, not like gulp.
You can keep that.
Guac is guac to me. I like it.
This is decent. It's not California level, but it's good. I feel like I'm at P.F. Chang's. Alright. I wouldn't say it's better than Trader Sam's. Trader Sam's is better. Tofu lettuce wrap. But it's actually really good. Much better than I expected. Who would have thought Asian and Mexican? Good.
Some carrots, zucchini. There's some squash in here. That is very good. Lettuce, all the vegetables, the wontons, the perfect kind of amount of crispiness, and then like savory sweet. This is good. I would definitely order this. I would give this a 5 out of 5. 5 out of 5 claws, without a doubt. That's amazing. Why did I get the lobster rolls? We have like a lobster slider. It's almost like a mini lobster sub. I'm not even sure where to start. Like this on top, this is like some sort of herb. It's just gonna go in. It's good. The rolls are nice and crisp, but still soft on the inside. It's like your typical northeastern lobster roll. It's really good. It's really rich. The lobster's not overpowering. A little bit ishy, but not too much. This is how I like it. And get bread and butter pickles. 4 or 5 plus. I'm a sucker for seafood.
Tastes like a garden in my mouth. Very good garden. Not bad. Really tart.
It smells somewhat normal. It's got a gigantic leaf in it.
I think it's mint.
Ooh. I think I just drank some exotic flower. but at the same time got slapped on the face with the back end of lemon juice. I'm a sucker for eating lemonade, but this is almost too much hot for me.
I knew you wouldn't like it.